Colleagues, good night. Please pay very keen attention to this message. I am just coming from 7 Miles Bull Bay with the PNP MP for this area. This morning the health minister told us that it was between St. Thomas and St. Andrew. He did not state where, but I am telling you now personally that it is at 7 Miles Bull Bay, just a little outside of Harborview. That young miss came from England for a funeral. She went to the funeral and the funeral was packed, I was told. Now you come from far near there in our community, I go walk and hug and greet everybody. She went to a doctor in 8 Miles Bull Bay. That doctor is now at the hospital because he is feeling sick. They live in a big house, nice big house with a lot of family members. Those family members have been going to work. One of the ladies out there show us on her status that she put up that her throat feels sore and she a cough. And she just feel like that because she not get over her grandmother yet. Now come on. The children them from the house went to school today. She had a son there that day and she had the son in her hand. And persons were saying that when she was at the funeral, she was sweating like pig. So you know it's at the stage where it's easily contagious for anybody in and around. Now the people them from the house who have to go to work today, them take bus. Them take bus go work. Those people at work have no idea. For the one who is coughing, you know, a serious case that already it starts spread. The children them take bus. Those children have a classroom of about 40 children. Each one of them go home to a home on a different transportation. Most of those transportation full of children will come from school or drive a pickup. And it is spreading wider than. And one of the lady, when the MP called the lady who live up at the house, she said it's because them never want the excitement. So obviously they know because the lady was showing the symptoms and them know that she had the virus. But because them never want the excitement, them play hush hush. And right now, it's just a while ago when me I leave, one health ministry van come, just one normal van. No suit up, nothing for quarantine the area, like nothing like that. So right now, everybody up there walking up and down, fretting the supermarket lock. I go for buy wipes and some stuff a while ago. I couldn't get to one shop. Me I have to go for buy a pack of wipes and something for putting in the vehicle them so we can stay healthy. Me I telling our colleagues, please take precautionary measures. I know of 3 children just next door, and I'm serious about this. 3 children just next door. Those houses, just a stone throw away from where that lady live that attend Calabar. I'm serious. 1 in grade 1 and 1 in grade 3 or 2. They attend Calabar. So I'm telling your colleagues, we have to take this for the seriousness that it is. That lady is out there. Everybody out there are fret now because everybody hug her up. Everybody greet her. She was at the funeral. She a ball and people hug her up. All of them people are gonna work from the 4th till now. All of them children they gonna school from the 4th till now. The health minister lie. Because the health minister tell we say the area them send people from the health ministry gone out there from morning from the moment them find out and the van just reach out there. And the van will come out there, they have no equipment for lock down the area and make sure say there is no further spread. So the PNP is going to keep a press conference tomorrow to update the public on some matters that are hiding from us, from the government. Colleagues, we have to protect ourselves. We have to keep ourselves healthy. I'm telling you, this is first-hand information. I hear it from the people who are complaining right now out of 7 Mile Bull Bay, shop lock. Everybody there in one local corner, mask, everybody mask up. And the van they out there and them do not the place not locked down, everybody I move about normal same way. So I'm wondering when the van gone now, everybody gone back at work tomorrow and those children gone back at school tomorrow. So I'm just saying this to tell you that I have the information, I'm giving it to you as I get it. Let us protect ourselves and stay healthy.